How to get $100 Spanx promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Spanx promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Spanx. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. 10% off, 70% off, 30% off, $20 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, you can copy it, then you can click on redeem at Spanx. You will be directed to the official website of Spanx. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of codes. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Likewise, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide a working promo code for Spanx. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Spanx promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.